Little baby turtle. Just a baby. So maybe his back's probably the size of a 50-cent piece. He's so teeny. Red-eared slider turtle baby. This is an invasive introduced species. They're sold as pets, and then people don't realize when they buy them what it takes to actually keep one of these guys. They're really messy and stinky. You gotta change their water out like every 2 days. And people get tired of that, so they just bring them to county ponds or throw them in the river. And so these guys are all over the place.